All right, chapter 1, number 37. As I look at this, we're going to just work one of these. We're going to work letter D, and just to give you an idea of what's going on here. So we have 3.8 times 10 to the negative 12th, so it's in scientific notation, plus 4.0 times 10 to the negative 13th. Okay, so we need to get those to agree. So 3.8 times 10 to the negative 12th, because of the direction we're going, becomes 38 times 10 to the negative 13th plus 4.0 times 10 to the negative 13th. And the way our adding and subtracting rules work is that we can only go with the thing with the number of significant figures from the lowest number of decimals. Okay, so here we have nothing after the decimal, so we can't include this number after the decimal, and so 38 plus 4 becomes 42 times 10 to the negative 13th. And I know that's not standard, but that's okay because we're going to be typing in the calculator in a minute anyway. Okay, so this bottom one's a little bit different. It's 4 times 10 to the 12th plus 6.3 times 10 to the 13th. So these are positives, not negatives, so we actually go in the other direction with this first one. 4 times 10 to the 12th becomes 0.4 times 10 to the 13th. Okay, so we add these up, and this is easy, see, because they both have one decimal point here. So we can have one decimal point in our answer. And so this becomes 6.7 times 10 to the positive 13th. Okay, so we divide this by this. We divide 42. Okay, so I have an old calculator here, 42, and now I look for my exponent button. Your calculators are all going to have an exponent button for popping things into scientific notation. You don't want to actually type in times 10 to the, because some calculators will end up getting that wrong. So my 42 is to the negative 13th, so that's how I do that on my calculator. And now I'm going to divide that by 6.7 exponent, and now we're at positive 13. And I get 6.2686567 times 10 to the negative 26th. But over here, I can see that when I did my division, I have two significant figures, so I can only have two significant figures in my answer. So that 6 means that we would round up, and my answer is 6.3 times 10 to the negative 26th.